Hello everyone, today I'll be discussing the Pythagoras property in right angle triangles. So the right angle triangles are the triangles which have a right angle of 90 degree as one of the angles. Now the line which is exactly parallel here AC to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. The lines adjacent to the right angle AB and BC are called the legs. To summarize, this is AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle and AB and BC are the legs of this triangle. Now, first of all, why is this property called the Pythagoras property? This is because it was founded by a Greek philosopher whose name was Pythagoras. So, to give him honor, the property was also named as the Pythagoras property. Now, what does this Pythagoras property states? It states that in a right angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the legs. Now, for this, we need to take a right angled triangle. I am taking this right angled triangle. Now, this is the hypotenuse, these are the legs. This is the right angle. Now we need to make 8 identical triangles like this. I have made the 8 identical triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles are identical to this. Not the squares, only the triangles. Now to study the activity, we need to place the 8 identical right angle triangles on 2 identical squares, which means square A should be equal in area to square B. So now our triangles are placed. Now what we have to conclude is A square is equal to B square plus C square. So let's start the exciting journey. Yeah. So this is our A square. Why? Because see A, okay? This is our B square and this is our C square. So now we have founded what is A square, what is B square, now what is C square. Now what we have to conclude is this A square is equal to C square plus B square. Now we know that the area covered in both the squares is the same because we have placed 4 triangles in square A and 4 in square B. So the area covered is same. Now this means the area uncovered should also be same. Now area uncovered is what? Now the area uncovered is what? Basically, in square A, the bigger one, A square is the area uncovered, and in square B, C square plus B square is the area uncovered, and this is equal, which means B square plus C square, which means this is equal. A square is equal to B square plus C square. So we have concluded the property. It is possible that some of you may have not understood it. So let us summarize. Hope it will be clear now. After this summary, So to summarize, we had taken a right angle triangle. We had made 8 identical triangles of this. We have placed them in 2 identical squares, square A and square B. The 8 triangles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is square A. This is square B. This is square E. ABC squares are the uncovered areas. Now the covered areas of square B and square C are equal. The uncovered areas are also the uncovered areas are also equal. Why? Because we have used 4 triangles out of the 8. We have used 4 triangles in square A and 4 triangles in square B, which means the area covered should be equal. Now when the area covered is equal, the area uncovered will also be equal. Now what are this covered and uncovered areas? The uncovered areas are angle A of square A and angle square B plus square C of square B. So I hope it's clear now. Now I'm just clearing the screen so that we can summarize everything that we have studied till now. So we have understood that a square is equal to b square plus c square. Now what is this a square? This a square is this hypotenuse, and the b and c squares are the legs of the right angle triangle. This means that in a right angle triangle, the square in this means that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the squares of the legs of a right angle triangle. So now I am clearing the whole screen. Yeah. Let us just type what we have understood. So we have understood that in a right angled let's reduce the size. In a right angled triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of both the legs. Oops, both the legs. Okay, which color should we give it? Let's give it purple, bold it up. Okay. So this is our summary. In a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of both the legs. So thank you guys. I hope it was fun.